Today we're going to install this Gibcloser safety door closer on this door here of this workshop. As you can see, we had a spring up here that would close the door, but that just gave away and broke. So we're going to install this. Looks real simple, so we'll take it out of the package. It's out of the packaging. We got the spring, the tension rod that we use that to spin the spring. We got the arm, screws, a little bracket for the door. First thing we want to do is install this spring body. This door doesn't have a frame on it, but it's underneath the paint, so we're going to have to find a smooth spot to install it. We're going to install it where one of the cross beams goes. Either the top, middle, or bottom. The middle area is the best, of course. Okay, so we're going to install it right here. The arrow always faces the door. If the door was on that side, the arrow would face the other way. So we're going to find a nice spot here. Mark the holes. Get these screws in here, get them all started before we tighten them. And now we're going to screw the tension bar in. That basically moves the spring, tightens it up, and then we're going to put the arm in. Actually, we're going to go all the way back with this, put as much tension as we can. Could even make it tighter if we had to. By going even further, we'll start out with this. We'll screw this out. It's not working too good, so now we're going to go even further with it. This is a pretty heavy door. Put a little more tension on it. Gotta be careful, because there's a lot more pressure. Check on this. We're going to even make it tighter. Make sure this is all the way in, because you don't want to get hurt. Because now it's starting to get pretty tight. Okay, so that's what we want. Now it's time to put this little protector on. What we want this to ride on. That's a good spot. We're going to put the screw in for that. this out. And this is a pretty heavy door. There you go. And that's the end of the installation. Everything works real good now.
Yeah, it is good.
And that's it for the installation. The whole thing took about 3 minutes. Door works real well. It's more for an interior residential door, but this will work fine for this application.